over the border in El Paso, where the fence is being built. I've got some thoughts on immigration. I just haven't decided to say much about them at this point in time. Actually, I've said something about them, I just haven't shared them. And what's going on with these families being separated is that the old catch and release program, where they would catch an illegal alien coming across the border, give them a court date and let them go, has been stopped. So now they're detaining everybody, and they're running out of facilities for families. So it sounds like they're ripping babies out of mama's arms, and in reality it's just that they have to detain these people, and kids go to separate facilities, men go to separate facilities, and women go to separate facilities. It's the way the criminal justice system works. And by crossing the border without permission, it's illegal. So they're going to jail like anybody else goes to jail, and instead of getting a PR bond, which is what you know, like when a citizen's let go for free and given a court date, they're being detained. So it's like having a bond and not being able to pay for it. It happens every day, but suddenly it's getting a lot of attention, and I think we need to understand that the Border Patrol is law enforcement, and these people coming across the border illegally are in tough situations, but ultimately they're breaking the law in the U.S., and they've got to go through the same process that anybody goes through if you get caught breaking the law.
I think Stalin has inherited Hitler's ambition for world dictatorship. One must expect a war between USA and USSR, which will begin with the total destruction of London. I think the war will last 30 years and leave a world without civilized people, from which everything will have to be built afresh.
What's up, my friends? It is July the 1st, 2018. We have one day, and we are in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Y'all know what that means. It's only 11 a.m. and I knew better than this. Cops aren't busy yet. Everybody's just getting started, not really partying. So let's just go check out the lake. There's some spots on the lake you gotta have a boat to get to, and we're at this sandbar now, about 8 miles north of the main lake where the channel and all the really big parties at. But as you can see, there's plenty of boats out here, and some people really getting down.
Production available in today's market. Upgrade your sound today and start making hits.
I got a driver today. Captain Brian. So you can drive your own boat. drone? Are you serious? Can we be friends, please? Yeah, so we had to fly up in the air, and we just hung out for a little while. I don't even know what kind that is. I don't even think it's a DJI. I could be terribly wrong about that. And then there was another one that flew up the channel. They were following these people with mermaid fins on their boat. Pretty good idea, actually. Very seductive, except for the guy in the middle. I don't think he was too thrilled by the fact that I was flying behind him. Alright, that's it for the channel today. Our boats and hose interviews in Lake Havasu didn't really work out. We got there too early the first time, and nobody was drunk enough to want to be on camera. And then in the afternoon, I met a few more people that were pretty cool, but they were career professionals and didn't want their exploits of partying in Havasu posted online.